Hello. Once again, this is Ralph Glidden with Nevada Flame Prevention Specialists. Today, we're going to take a look at an example of how we treat non-drapery material, specifically decorations made from bamboo and palm fronds. And even though this is a unique situation that we are reviewing, the processes and treatment can be applied to a number of forest materials like wood, straw, silk, cotton, and artificial materials like polyester and polyester blends. Recently, we were contacted by a business that's opening soon in Las Vegas to flame treat several bundles of finished goods made from thatched palm fronds as well as bamboo poles. The challenge for us at Nevada Flame Prevention Specialists was to figure out a way to effectively treat these materials so that the flame retardant would penetrate and stay. You see, some natural materials like palm fronds produce an oil that can repel water-based products like the flame retardant that we use. Bamboo has a hard outer shell that will not allow spray application to take place, and it has inner chambers that make it highly buoyant. The chemicals are absorbed to the inside of the stalk when fully submerged.
After consulting with Randy Newman, a flame retardant application specialist at FireTech, we determined that the best way to flame treat the material was by submersion. Here's an example of how we treated a couple of 60-foot rolls of palm frond material. By the time Jay brought the material out of the barrel, it had been completely submerged in FireTech Fireproof for 12 to 24 hours. The next step was to unroll the material and let it dry. After a while, the shop began to look like a jungle, and oh yeah, it smelled like it too. The bamboo was challenging due to its length. Size does matter when you're flame treating 12 and 15-foot stalks when your containers are not that long. With a little ingenuity, we were able to construct troughs which we filled with fireproof to submerge the bamboo completely. We weighted the bamboo down with sandbags so that the fire retardant would completely cover the stalks. Then, they were dried for 24 hours before we tested them again to ensure that the treatments had been effective. Here's a look at how the final product came out. This video was shot when we had the honor of treating the furniture and other decorations on site before the opening. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, these and similar flame retardant processes can be performed on numerous porous materials.
But you may be asking, what if the material's not porous? And that's a good question. We carry varnishes and paints that can be used to flame treat solid materials. At Nevada Flame Prevention Specialist, we have your flame retardant solution. We acknowledge the local businesses that are proactive in protecting their property, customers, and employees by having their decorations, furniture, and displays flame treated. Are you one of those forward-thinking companies?
This is Ralph with Nevada Flame Prevention Specialists. Use what we've learned so you don't get burned.